Okay, by request, I have an early 70s Hoover U4007 convertible, and at the nozzle I'm using a HEPA bag right now, and we're at 107 CFM. So this thing has very high CFM, and it's got a very small nozzle opening, so whatever it has is very concentrated. So I am expecting good things. I also have Uber bristles installed that you've seen from previous videos that are very long and very stiff. So this thing should easily be able to keep up with a Kirby. Get some underneath the carpet here. I guess that looks good enough. And I've nicknamed this vacuum Thunder. So after I changed those ridiculous bristles, or to those ridiculous bristles, wow, this thing is just incredible. Okay, so that certainly looks like good enough of a mess. Let's see magic happen. And I've got the carpet setting on normal. Well, that looks like a pretty clean sweep to me. So let's see the piece de resistance. Yep, look at that. So got most of it here. It looked like it might have moved a little bit down here. Or what it might have done is actually shaken some of the flour from here and put it down through the pile. I'm not too sure which. But obviously it got everything here. And everything on top looks pretty good. Everything on the concrete looks pretty good as well. So certainly a big thumbs up for this old guy. Great to listen to as well. No high-pitched screech. Okay, stay tuned for more videos.